So, Jeremiah here with the digital sign here in Vancouver Island, and comparing notes side by side. Okay, so what you're looking at is what we have for brightness and quality versus what's up there. Now, price point we're looking at is this thing here is so much higher resolution, so much easier to service. Just when it's compared to stuff done a few years ago, that kind of stuff, this is just like, whoa. Yeah, there's just no comparison. Just so much better. What you're looking at back here is Lego. These are so easy to install and uninstall. You basically clip, flip. Like I could install this entire row just like that. I could put it all back together, click, click. I get the idea. Click this last one in, click, click, and it's back up and installed. It's Lego. It's the best way I can describe it. Lego, and certainly higher quality than anything else I've seen on the market here for outdoor. That just makes the installation so much easier. So anyhow, that's a quick show here from Duncan in front of Thrifty Foods, and yeah, on to our next install. Thanks for your time.